stay in the video. Poor babies. Here. She's pretty. Pretty girl, pretty girl, pretty girl, pretty girl. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Pretty girl, pretty girl. Pretty girl, pretty girl. Pretty girl, pretty girl. What is that? Goofy. Goofy, goofy. Where are you going?
Where'd the other one go?
Oh, I'm just taking little videos of all of them.
Oh.
So that they all don't run one way or 10 different ways.
This one is like this.
Mom, let me hold the lizard.
Huh? No.
Oh, don't let them have lizards.
No, I was just saying what they react.
They'll lick the lizard. Mom, I want to hold the lizard.
They want out the whole time, but when you get one of them out, they want back in.